Hello everyone, it's me Abhinay again, your facilitator mentor for the Google Cloud Architect Facilitator Program 2024. So I'm here again sharing the next update related to Google Cloud Architect Facilitator Program 2024. You guys must be wondering now, the monsoon campaign has been ended. What do we have to do next to start completing the games? When do we have to start completing the games? So all these types of questions we are going to discuss in this video. So before going further, I just wanted to clarify one thing. There is an update coming from Google Cloud Architect Facilitator team. So we are going to discuss it first and then move towards the steps that you need to complete. We will now go on to our computer screens and we will see what the update has been came from Google Cloud Architect Facilitator team. So let me just pull my screen on. So as I have mentioned that there's an update from the Google Architect team regarding the games that they were going to like publish in from the first week of August. But as we are on the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitators official arcade website, so we can see here that they have mentioned that your arcade team is creating something special this August. So they are going to need a little more time for pushing the games out on the arcade website. So they have told us to wait till 5th of August. This is the most important update that we have received from the Google Cloud Arcade team that the actual program, the actual Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program will now start from 5th of August, and you will be able to see the games and new trivias pushing out from 5th of August 2024 on the Google Cloud Arcade official website. But wait, Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator team has shared an exciting update where you guys can now stand a chance to win 5 extra points from which you can avail the swags separately at the price counter of arcade. So we are going to see how you guys can win 5 extra points till the time of 1st August to 5th August. So as you can see here, they have mentioned that this challenge is called as Arcade Cloud Digital Leader Challenge. So they have given a timeline of 1st August to 5th August. So you have to complete this path called Google Cloud Digital Leader Path, Learning Path. You guys must be wondering what this path is about. So we are now going to see the more info about Arcade Cloud Digital Leader Challenge. So for that, we just need to click on Start button. Then it will just redirect to the Cloud Digital Leader Learning Path webpage. So as we can see here that this is a no-cost learning path as Google Cloud provides. It is a free of cost, and this path helps you to understand how the Google Cloud system works, how the Google Cloud platform works for the organizations, and how the organizations take benefit from the Google Cloud platform, and seamlessly the organizations can handle the cloud related services from the Google Cloud easily. So this learning path helps you to understand about the relationship between Google Cloud platform and the organization. So as we can read here that a Google Cloud digital leader can articulate the capabilities of core cloud products and services and understand how they benefit organizations, how Google Cloud benefits organizations, so that you guys will be able to learn in this learning path. If you complete this Google Cloud digital leader learning path, you will be able to get a badge on your profile which will mention that you have completed the cloud digital leader learning path. So this has 6 modules in total. You all have to go through each modules and complete all the modules till end, and you will be able to finish the course and you will be able to get the badge on your profile. So one more important and exciting information, this is a part of a certification that Google Cloud provides. So if you complete this learning path, you can directly go for the certification where there is a fee for that certification. You can pay an amount and then you will be able to give an exam for that cloud digital leader learning path. And after passing an exam, you can get a certification from Google Cloud stating that you are now certified cloud digital leader, as well as to showcase it on LinkedIn. It is very effective as I am Google Cloud certified associate cloud engineer. So I have put it on LinkedIn. So you guys can also avail this opportunity, and ultimately you will be able to get 5 extra points from this cloud digital leader learning path. So please try to complete this learning path, as you will be able to explore more opportunities that Google Cloud provides, and you will be able to understand how it works with the organizations. So this was all about the update. In short, summarizing the video, Google Cloud has provided us with an update that there is a delay with the starting of actual program, which is going to start from 5th of August due to some technical issues from Google Cloud Sense. They have to face a delay. So till then, they have provided us an opportunity where we can earn 5 extra points by completing Cloud Digital Leader Learning Path. So you guys can avail the opportunity by clicking on the link given in the descriptions. All the links and related information will be there in the description. So please check it out. Go through the link, read all the information related to it, and start doing it. The deadline is going to be 5th of August. So you guys have to complete all the tracks related to it, all the 6 tracks that are mentioned here till the end of 5th of August. And for those who don't want to complete this learning path, they are free to just ignore the learning path for 4 to 5 days. And after the 5th of August, they will be able to see new game pushed by the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator team. So that was all about the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to stay updated, if you want us to make an updated video for the games that Google Cloud is going to push after 5th of August, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share it amongst your connections so that they can also get benefited from this program. So that was all from this video. Thank you.